Welcome to part 9 of my Yarn Wall Voyage. My name is Cynthia, and this is my Joyful Creation space. And if you are new to my channel, welcome to the Joyful Creations family. And if you are not, hello, it's great to have you come and hang out with me again. So today we are going to look at the Kai baby yarn that I have from Loops and Threads. And so the first color we're going to look at, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is called Pink Lemonade. And again, it is the Kai yarn from Loops and Thread. It is a 3.5 ounce skein, 308 yards, 100 grams. And again, it is in the colorway Pink Lemonade. See if I can get that to focus in. Let me adjust my camera real quick. It does not want to focus for you guys. Oh, there we go. Whoops. And as you can tell from my little writing there, I got this from Michael's. It's normally $4.99 and I paid $2 for it. And this is a light 3 weight yarn. And says it is made in Turkey. And it is 100% acrylic. Isn't that pretty? And if you look at them, they look different, but they're the same color. You can just see some more of the different colors. Those are so pretty. All right, the next color I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of. And it is in the colorway Confetti. And I got these from Michael's. Whoops, got it upside down. They're normally $4.99 and I paid $2.49. And this is before I was writing the dates on them. But it's the same yardage, 308 yards, 3.5 ounces, and 100 grams. And again, a lightweight 3 and 100% acrylic. And then on this one, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 skeins of. And this is in the colorway Citrus. I don't know why my camera doesn't want to focus today. I apologize for this. There we go. And that is what it looks like. And on some, you can see like the yellow in it a lot more. Really like this color. These are really, really pretty. And then the last colorway I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of. Trying to get one that wasn't coming apart. And it is in the colorway Happy. There we go. And that's what it looks like. So I am very excited about these colors, and I can't wait to make something with them and see how the colorway actually flows. Well, that is all the Kai yarn that I have from Loops and Threads. And so I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I know it is really short today, but I want to kind of move through the wall by shelves and also by the type of yarns that I have. So next week, we are going to look at the Karen Simply Soft, or Karen Simply Soft. I think that's how it's actually pronounced, as Karen. And I have some that I bought a long time ago, and then I have some that I bought just recently. So I'm really excited to take a look at those. So I hope that you will come back and join us next week as we jump into those Karen Simply Soft yarns. Have a great week. Be joyful. Stay crafty in your own way and make your own joyful creations. Bye, guys.